is moving through the Gulf of Mexico, and it's caused nearly a dozen deaths as it heads towards the U.S. Now, Storm Center 7 Chief Meteorologist Austin Chaney has been tracking the tropics. Beryl hit Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula as a Category 2 hurricane this morning, with winds up to 110 miles per hour, and Jamaica just missed it.
Rule 15, another strong wind from and it blew off.
Beryl is now headed north toward Texas, and the U.S. has not felt the impact from Beryl just yet, but it is still affecting Americans in other ways. Cruise companies are rerouting ships to avoid the dangerous weather. Meanwhile, Beryl is predicted to increase the cost of U.S. gas by 5 to 10 cents a gallon over the next week due to disruptions to Gulf Coast oil refineries. Count on Chief Meteorologist Austin Chaney and the rest of our Storm Center 7 team to keep tracking Beryl's path. And Storm Center 7 Chief Meteorologist Austin Chaney joins me now. You're keeping an eye on Beryl. The last couple of days you've been tracking storms.
Yeah.
Finally, the weekend is upon us.
Yeah, and finally, this system that has given us now 3 days of kind of cruddy weather.
Yeah.
Starting to slide on through, and it's going to set us up for a pretty nice week.
About time.
Yeah, I think we've earned it.
Yes.
Here is the surface map right now. You can see that cold front is swinging on through the Miami Valley. In behind it, drier air is starting to wrap in behind this system, and a little cooler air as well. High temperatures tomorrow are not going to get to where we'd expect this time of year, which I don't think anyone's complaining about. As we zoom on in locally, we did have a couple showers work through earlier, but those are now pretty much on the way out. For dry temperatures in the 70s. Here was the last of that rain as it just got done working on through parts of Logan County. And now we should be dry as we go through the rest of the night. Live look right now to downtown Dayton. Mostly clear skies overhead and no visibility problems, unlike the fog that we did see earlier this morning. As we go through the rest of tonight, I don't think fog is going to be a big issue for us thanks to those elevated winds overnight. Mostly clear skies, a comfortable 65 degrees as you wake up tomorrow morning. Here's what tomorrow looks like on Skycast. After we start out there in the 60s, we do see a good bit of sunshine, and that warms us up. 78 degrees here by noontime tomorrow. High temperatures top out in the lower 80s. We will see more sun than clouds, but some clouds will likely develop during the heating of the day, but do not expect them to produce any rainfall for us. If you are out and about tomorrow, UV index is going to be up there at a 9. That means your sunburn time is as little as 20 minutes, so you certainly need to lather on the sunscreen as you either try to get those chores done outside tomorrow or you hang out by the pool. Sunday is going to be equally as nice across the Miami Valley. The difference, though, compared to Saturday, the heat starts to build in. Look at that temperature by 5 p.m. on your Sunday afternoon, 87 degrees. The good news, though, for Sunday, just like Saturday, the humidity should not be bad at all across the Miami Valley. Here's the latest on Beryl. It is a tropical storm now re-emerging out over the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. And this system is significantly weakened from just this morning, thanks to all that land interaction down there at the Yucatan. But this system could be a problem. Notice its trajectory right over the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, giving it plenty of time to strengthen back either into a Category 1 or 2 hurricane before coming to shore somewhere in South Texas, potentially near Corpus Christi. We're not going to see direct impacts from this system as it falls apart well before it gets here, but it could send us some moisture to enhance our rain chances into next week. So here's Futurecast, Sunday and Monday, dry days for us. Tuesday, though, we're tracking a chance of scattered showers, and some of those could linger into Wednesday as well. We'll, of course, have to fine-tune that portion of our forecast because if the track of that moisture from the remnants of Beryl changes, well, then our rain chances could change as well. Here's how it looks right now in the Storm Center 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds, high of 82 degrees, up to 87 on Sunday. Going to 90 on Monday before some showers and storms start to cool us off on Tuesday. And we'll have at least a chance for a few showers Tuesday through Friday of next week.
Thank you, Austin. You can track the chance for any kind of weather and keep your eye on possible rain with our free WHIO weather app. Just scan the QR code on your screen to download it. It has hour-by-hour forecasts as well as customizable alerts for wherever you are. This one